Battery, 95%. Connecting to Jay's iPad. Jay's iPad, connected.
So this is the Bose portable home speaker, and it is very new in the market. What I like about it is that it works with Apple Airplay. So very compatible with all your Apple devices, your iPad Pro and your mobile phones. And it's very easy to operate. If you press start,
Battery, 93%.
it'll go automatically. Then it has touch buttons. You can also connect it to Google Assistants or Alexa. Then, as you have heard in our sound test, the bass is very quality and it is very good. I highly recommend this Bose portable home speaker for those who are music lovers and those who really want the bass, to hear the bass in every music.
So what do you think about the Bose portable home speaker? Is it any good for you? Comment down below and see